Our government is continuing to take unprecedented steps in response to respond to COVID-19 in every sector across all government departments. Based on the advice of the Chief Provincial Public Health Officer, licensed childcare centres are suspending services at the end of the day and for the next 3 weeks. During this uncertain and challenging time, we need Manitobans to rise to the challenge. We encourage you all to reach out to your friends, your neighbors, and your family members to help care for our children during this time. We are all in this together. Our government also made a commitment to you that we would develop a plan to ensure childcare is available for healthcare workers who need help so they can help fight this pandemic. Today, we are announcing the details of our plan. We are providing more than $27 million to give our frontline healthcare workers the help that they need. This pandemic requires all Manitobans to change how they live their daily lives, but it is clear that we are all willing to work together to find solutions. Our plan is a 3-step approach that respects Dr. Roussen's recommendations for social distancing while ensuring childcare options are available for frontline healthcare staff. Here is what we're doing. Step 1, assures continuity of funding for childcare centres. We will continue to provide licensed childcare centres with their full operating grant and subsidies totaling up to $7.6 million province-wide for this 3-week period. Step 2 identifies healthcare and other essential service workers who need childcare. Based on Dr. Roussen's advice, childcare centres can remain open and provide care for up to 16 children. Priority will be given to children of healthcare and other essential service workers. Step 3 ensures childcare workers can continue to provide care in their homes and communities if they choose. We are establishing a new $18 million grant program so that early childhood educators affected by centers closures can immediately access funds of up to $3,000 to begin independently offering childcare services in their homes or in their community. These services could include establishing home-based centers of up to 12 children as per Dr. Roussen's advice. This program will be delivered in partnership with the Winnipeg Chamber of Commerce and the Manitoba Chamber of Commerce effective immediately. We are also allocating another $2 million to create a trust that will provide capital grants to childcare providers to ensure safe, quality care. These funds can be used to help purchase immediate needs, anything from fire extinguishers and first aid kits to high chairs and books. This trust will be managed by the Winnipeg Foundation. We thank them and the chambers for stepping up to help us implement these programs quickly and effectively. I also want to make it clear for parents that we will be encouraging all childcare centers to reimburse you for any childcare services that you have prepaid for and not continue charging you for services that you can no longer access. And finally, I've heard from the staff, the directors, the boards, and everyone involved in childcare in our province that they are ready to step up and they're ready to help us. This has been a challenging time, and I certainly want to thank everyone for their patience. And I also want to acknowledge how incredibly important childcare workers are to parents, to children, and to our communities, and I want to thank them for their incredible hard work.